Thursday, the 28th day of July 2022, and we from the Voice Power Television are here at the High Court of Enugu State, sitting at our home to witness the proceedings in the suit number OG/37/2022 between four married daughters of one late Annie Nnadi of OGUKA village, Ngwo, as plaintiffs/applicants against their male siblings from another mother, namely Hyacinth Nnadi, Anthony Nnadi, and Benedict Nnadi, as defendants/correspondents. We want to interview Barrister JMCC OGUKA and his team of lawyers, who we understand are the counsel for the plaintiffs/applicants in the case. Hello, sir. May we know why you are here in court today, the nature of the case, and the outcome of today's proceedings?
The case is about the estate of one Mr. Annie Nnadi, a native of OGUKA village in Ngwo, in Enugu State. He died many years ago and was left with a family made up of two wives of his. The first wife had only four female children with one male child. This male child died sometime during the Biafran War, and then the second wife has male children, and the subject matter of this suit is the contention by the female members, the female children of this man who died as intestate. That is the female children of late Annie Nnadi, that they are equal co-heirs and co-beneficiaries of the estate of their late father, and they are entitled to equal share of the estate of their late father. Before now, there had been so many cases which have gone to courts, from customary courts to magistrate courts to high courts to court of appeal to even Supreme Court. But in none of these cases, these plaintiffs were not. In all these cases, they were not involved as plaintiffs, or as defendants, or as appellants, or as respondents. So today they have come to ask the courts whether, having regards to the fact that they are females, whether they are by reason of that disinherited of any share or equal share in the estate of their late father. And we have filed this suit today, and the court has, in its wisdom, made an order preserving the rest. By this order, both plaintiffs and defendants are by this order prevented from taking any further action on the land which form part of the estate of late Annie Nnadi at OGUKA village in Ngwo, pending the hearing and determination of the substantive of the motions already filed. By this order, none of the parties, both the people who claim to have gone to the Supreme Court and gotten judgment, and the plaintiffs in this case, have a right now to either sell or build or raise any structure or do anything on any of the landed estate of late Annie Nnadi. That is the import of the order made by the court today. And this order is in line with the decision of the Supreme Court in Ojuku and Governor of Lagos State and a host of other decisions, that once a matter is placed before the court has a duty to protect the rest, to preserve the rest. And that rest is what has been preserved today by the court. And we are very grateful to God. As we move on now, we are looking forward to the hearing of the motion, so that at the end of the day we'll know whether it is the law, whether today in Nigeria, women, whether married or married, are still entitled to the estate of their late father. In this case, the women who are plaintiffs are all married, and the law is settled that their status as married women does not disentitle them to the enjoyment of an equal share in the inheritance of the estate of their late father. So this is what this case is all about, and we are looking forward to a very successful outing in this case. Thank you so much.